Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. If you've watched 100 million of my videos, you probably get old of the whole spiel. But in case this is your first one, then welcome. It is Easter Sunday, and I am out here working because I got really far behind, and we're trying to take a vacation, the first vacation that we've had in about 2 years. So 303-666-9020. JeepsUnlimited.net. You can view this frame and others like it. It is a Jeep Wrangler YJ 87 and 95 frame, 4.0 or 4.2. Both will work the same. If you have a 2.5, call us or look on the site. We do usually have those. If you want to use this one for that, you can, but you got to move your motor mounts back. If you're putting a 350 or a 5.3 or something else in it, it doesn't really matter which frame you go with. It's neither here nor there because those are going to change anyway. Let's see. I say that about here in the millionth one because I've been doing this for about 10 years, and I know frames very well. The yard here is fairly good size, and we just bought another 7-acre yard that we will move into June 1st, 2018, so that's exciting. This one will stay here in Denver. We buy all of our Jeeps out of California, Arizona, Nevada, some out of Colorado, but Colorado started using salt on the road, so we're fairly picky. We don't buy wrecks, so we don't usually attend the insurance auctions, not at least for Wranglers, just because you can't. Even a light hit sometimes bends these frames. They're not very strong. So it's good, solid, rust-free frame. The paint you see on it is factory paint. That's original paint from, this one is a 91. It'll work 87, 95, but I mean, let's see, almost 30 years. So it's pretty impressive how good of shape these are still in. Not a bit of rust inside or out. Let me flip it over here and show you the bottom side. And if there's anything that I missed on it, feel free to let me know. I usually point out anything I see that's problematic. This one doesn't have anything on it. So sometimes you'll get little bumps, bruises on them, but like I said, this one's solid. And even all the belly pan mounts, those are all real nice and clean. All the threads are good on them. You won't have to mess with those at all. Going back to your leaf spring mounts on the rear. This area loves to rot out on them if you're in the Midwest, East Coast area and whatnot. So the back ends of these sometimes get a little beat up. This one's not too bad. Just people put heavy bumpers on them and whatnot. Sometimes these holes wallow out a little bit on them, but this one's in pretty good shape there too. So anyway, please feel free to give me a call. You can ask me any questions about these things. We do have a few YJ tubs left, not many. Those are even harder to get right now. YJ frames this is probably one of the last few loads we'll have. We probably have a handful of them right now. We started with 40 at the beginning of the year, and we're down to probably 5 or 6 of the 6-cylinder frames. So they do sell quick. They are moving fast. We were sandblasting them for a while. My compressor's down, so not really an option right now. Might be something we do later, but you can usually find somebody locally to sandblast for a couple $100. So again, 303-666-9020, JeepsUnlimited.net, and hope you had a happy Easter. Thanks a lot.